Okay, where have we been? Well, we haven't touched this project for a while, and I've come back to it because I want to, not I want to, I have, I've added ImGui into it because I've been working on a few little bits and I want to be able to make an editor whereby I can create these levels. So obviously we're going to need ImGui in there. This is a real short one. I've managed to do it, as you can see it's there. So what did we do? Click the wrong button to start with. We have to add this in for ImGui to be able to work. This is on the GitHub. I've uploaded all the code to the GitHub. Not terribly difficult to do. Same as once you get that header file in, you can add all these bits in, which is pretty much the same as setting up ImGui in a GLFW window. It's a tiny bit different, but and then we come down here, and I should probably sail right by it. We need to initiate the ImGui and the rendering of it. Then we have to get the process events, add that into the mix to make it so as it can be controlled, and then that simply comes down to here, quite a long way down because I've got so much code in this main form at the moment. Where was it? There we go. We have to create a new frame, and then we basically create the window. A little bit further down, ImGui render, and then the ordinary SDL3 rendering process just carries on as before. In fact, I don't quite too sure why that line of code's in there. That's because I've used that as a label. I've been lazy. Anyhow, there we go. The code's on GitHub. It all works. The only thing that's not on GitHub, obviously, are the helicopter files, because I had to pay for them, so I haven't been able to upload them because of copyright. But everything else is on there, and everything works. Not that's whether that works in the background is irrelevant, but I want to make an editor. The whole idea of this is to make an editor, so as I can set these blocks up without having to hard code them, which they are at the moment. I haven't got a clue now. Where are they? In here. So in here I have to hard code these in, and I want to make an editor so as I can just have a grid on screen, have a selection box down the bottom with all the blocks or trees or rocks in, and literally you had to click, drag them into the thing, and then that going to record that into a file, probably just a text file or something to save it. Anyhow, I looked out. This has been months and months and months since I made an update for this one. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.